What's going on, YouTube? Ron with Get Fat Food here, and today, as you saw earlier, I made some chicken adobo, and not just any chicken adobo. It's my family's favorite, with quail eggs and potatoes. That's just what they want. Generally in adobo you don't do quail eggs or potato, but it's adobo, man. Every Filipino has their own version of adobo, so it's up to you what you want to put in there. So this is the eating part of the video. You guys saw how I made it. Excuse me. You guys saw how I made it, and now we're gonna eat it. And just to let you guys know, this is Get Fat Food, where we eat like pigs with just a little bit of class. Don't forget to check out my social media links in the description below, and let's get started. Oh, by the way, I do have a live show every Friday at 10 p.m. called the Late Night Snack Show with Get Fat Food. So tune into that. I'm on Twitch. I'm on YouTube. Thanks very much. Now let's get it started. This rice is also freshly cooked. Oh, let's get a quail egg in there. Yeah. So you can adobo anything, literally anything. Shrimp, fish, pork, beef. Chicken obviously is the favorite. Got some boneless thigh meat from the Asian style. If you guys haven't already, please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this. There's nothing like freshly cooked rice. I mean, it's cool with leftovers too, but still, we'll get a potato in there. Look at that. So total, it takes about an hour to make adobo from scratch. Like the first 15 minutes is just you prepping everything, like the meat, rinsing off the meat or whatever you're doing. Open up cans or whatever you're trying to put in your adobo. Also, like prepping the onions, the ginger, just like you guys saw. You want to boil it. It's like braised chicken pretty much, in like a lot of sauce, and you just let it go for like about 40 minutes to let it stew up, and you get that chicken flavor or beef flavor, whatever you're trying to cook, with the soy sauce, vinegar, and water. Those are the main ingredients for the sauce. I like to add a little pepper. You don't need to add salt necessarily, only because the soy sauce is already salty, so you don't really need to mess with that. This is a family favorite. Pretty much eat this at least once or twice a month. I mean, with chicken. I finally got this bed tray that I was talking about before. Got my soda, a little bit of Canada Dry. It's a little cold over here, so I'm wearing a beanie. Excuse me. Use the fork to push into the spoon. Like that. That's the Filipino style. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever had any kind of adobo. You'll laugh. Okay. So here we have a drumette. Head up a potato. I had a buddy who he loves wings, like with anything. So every time he cook adobo for his family, wings. If he makes tinolang manok, wings. And wings are hella expensive, man. I mean, they're not Wagyu beef, but if you go to the store and you buy like chicken leg quarters compared to buying wings, whoo, big price difference. I'm sorry, I'm like sucking in. I don't want to lose any rice, you know? Woo, I'm getting full. Oh. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here, you guys. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Ron with Get Fat Food. Don't forget to check out my live show every Friday at 10 p.m. That's Pacific time. Sorry. That's probably like 12 p.m. Central. That's probably like 1 or 2 a.m. Eastern time. So don't forget to check me out. You can always check out the replay. I try to do videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so look out for that. I want to thank every one of you for watching. I know I only have a few subscribers. Thank you guys. I'm just getting started here on YouTube, so please help me out. Y'all stay safe, keep healthy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Bye.